In this video, we'll show you the steps to schedule your online course sessions. It's important that the person responsible for scheduling all course sessions is registered on our website. Before scheduling your course, you must contact our sales department at sales@svisioncmms.com and provide the names and email addresses of the participants. When you receive your course purchase details via email, you'll find a link to the Courses section on our website. If you haven't created your user account yet, you can do so in this window. Once the person responsible for scheduling course sessions is registered, they cannot be changed. You can also access this section from our website by clicking on your username and selecting My Courses. You'll be redirected to a site where you can manage and view your purchased courses, their status, booked sessions, reserved sessions, and available sessions. To book a session, click Reserve Session and select the date and time that best suits your instructor. You can add notes to the booking. Once confirmed, select Reserve Slot. The booking will be sent to the instructor, the course owner, and the participants. They will all need to accept the invitation from their calendars. Please note that once booked, sessions cannot be modified. You will need to cancel your booking and schedule another session. You have up to 24 hours before your booking to cancel it. This allows the instructor to manage their schedule. To cancel, locate your booking and click Cancel Reservation. Click Cancel Reservation again to confirm.